Children, up till now, we have studied three important resources: air, water and land. Now, summing up, I will tell you the proportions those are useful for living things. We know that on earth there is 71% of water, there is 29% of land, and we had also seen the constituents of air. In that, nitrogen is 78% and we need the gas for respiration, and that gas is only 21%. So we will see the percentage of those important resources again. Land, that is useful for living things, that is 29%. Potable or fresh water, from the water that is available on the earth, only 0.3% of water is fresh water that can be used by living things. And oxygen in the air, that is 21% only, and that is very important for our breathing. In this way, these 3% show that they are very less, but still they are sufficient, they are enough for the survival of living things. If we use them judiciously, carefully, sparingly, it is no doubt that we will survive in all these proportions. But what we are doing? Due to the increasing population, our greeds are also increasing, and the human beings greedily, they are exhausting all these natural resources. They are using them very abundantly, and because of that there is scarcity of all these things. That's why it's our duty, it's our prime duty, that we should use the natural resources very carefully, judiciously and sparingly. Now, we will study what is IMD. The full form of IMD is India Meteorological Department. So, this meteorological, that is related to weather, and this department, it comes under the Ministry of Earth. This Earth Sciences, it has established this IMD in the year 1875. In 1875, this IMD is established. IMD is India Meteorological Department. Why it is established? For study weather. Vedashala. It is very important for weather forecast. To make weather forecast, it predicts weather, how it will be, and what will be the situation of weather in the next day, or in area wise also it is predicted. To make rain forecast, not only weather but rain forecast, they are also done by IMD, and it is useful for the studies those are related to the very important global warming. It is the main cause of all these situations. Because of global warming, we have to face so many disasters, and that's why the developments those are being done to reduce global warming, those are also noticed here in IMD. These are also done here, and in this way we have studied all the natural resources in detail, and I think there will be no doubt while studying the first chapter, natural resources, air, water and land.